Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Nest privacy controls for cameras and microphones. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure that you are logged into the account linked to your Google Nest devices. Locate the camera or microphone device that you want to adjust in the home screen of the app. Tap on the device icon to access its settings. Once the device interface opens, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner. Tap on the gear icon to enter the device settings menu. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Privacy. Select the Privacy option to view the available adjustments. Here, you will see settings for camera and microphone access. To manage camera settings, find the toggle switch labeled Camera. If you want to disable the camera, simply flip the switch to the off position. For microphone settings, look for the toggle labeled Microphone. Similar to the camera, turn off the microphone by switching it to the off position. Additionally, check for any activity logs or privacy notifications that might be listed. Make sure to review and familiarize yourself with the activity history for added security. If your device supports scheduling, you may want to set specific times for when the camera and microphone are active. To do this, find the Schedule setting under the Privacy options. Follow the prompts to choose the active hours that work best for you. After making all your adjustments, hit the back button to save your settings. Finally, return to the main screen of the Google Home app. Your Google Nest camera and microphone are now configured for privacy according to your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.